Welcome to my review of GoodBudget, a personal finance app designed to help you manage your money using the tried and true envelope budgeting method. Today, I'll walk you through the app's core features, my personal experience using it, and whether it lives up to its reputation as a top budgeting tool. GoodBudget is available on both iOS and Android, as well as on the web, making it accessible from nearly any device. After downloading the app, you're guided through a quick setup process where you define your monthly income and create spending categories, or envelopes, such as groceries, rent, entertainment, and more. The envelope system is meant to help users allocate specific amounts to each category, encouraging disciplined spending and better money management. One of the app's standout features is its user-friendly interface, with clearly organized tabs for transactions, envelopes, and reports. Adding transactions is straightforward. You simply input the amount, select the envelope, and write a note if needed. The app automatically deducts the amount from the envelope's balance, making it easy to track spending in real time. GoodBudget also includes a robust reporting system, offering visual insights into your spending habits. You can generate charts and graphs that show how much you spent in each category over a specified time period. This feature is particularly useful for identifying areas where you may be overspending, or for setting future financial goals. A feature I personally appreciated is the option to sync the app across multiple devices. If you're managing a shared budget with a partner or family member, this ensures everyone stays on the same page with financial goals and expenses. Additionally, GoodBudget provides tips and educational resources on financial wellness, making it a solid choice for beginners who want to learn the basics of budgeting. One drawback to mention is that while the free version includes basic features, the premium version unlocks more advanced tools, like unlimited envelopes and account tracking. If you're on a tight budget, this subscription cost could be a factor to consider. However, even with the free version, you can still benefit from the core functionalities. Overall, GoodBudget is a solid option for anyone looking to take control of their finances using a straightforward, practical system. It's great for both individuals and families who prefer a structured yet flexible approach to budgeting. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and personal finance tips. See you in the next video.